right turn.
I know about this one. We are in Jollibee.
Oh, they have.
Tukwila, Washington, USA. Nasa loob ng Seafood City ang Chowking, Red Ribbon at Jollibee. So tara, punta tayo sa loob. Samahan nyo kami. Seafood City in Tukwila, Washington. And Jollibee! Yay!
We have Jollibee in Canada.
We have Jollibee here in Tukwila.
Screenshots from this
Kita
video.
cover the Jollibee.
Whoa. Wow.
Kita cover
Wow.
Jollibee. And Jollibee. So yan ay Chowking. At doon naman ay Seafood City. So si Abel ay pumunta ng Red Ribbon dyan. Bumili siya ng arroz caldo kasi breakfast namin. Tsaka ang mahal naman ng bread nila. 5 mamoon ay $20. Free ang isa pero mahal pa rin. Bumili lang ako ng isang supot, 5 pieces. Mahal, $20. So yan, sarap pa, pero ang sarap ng kanilang arroz caldo, $7 ang isang. Yan, sarap-sarap. So pasok tayo sa Seafood City.
So that I can convince him to buy one.
Yeah.
That's crazy. $34. American dollars. That's 17.
See, Castellin yung awit tayo.
33.
Then we should start selling. You know how much money we would make? Like this is the amount of crabs we would make in a month. If you went every weekend, this is how much we would make.
Very expensive, guys. So it's good that we are catching crab in Vancouver. It's free.
And these are already cooked.
Meron ding Filipino food court. Yan ang bento, Pinoy bento. So iba-ibang klaseng Filipino food. Mga yan, mga kakanin, merong balot. Yan, bento yan. Mga bibingka, puto. Sarap. Pero yun ang aking binili, yung sarap-sarap niyan. Upi, bilo-bilo. Yan. Meron din silang street foods. Yan, mga kakanin yan. Kakanin. Dami, iba-ibang klase. At meron silang street food. Yan, mga barbecues, mga fish balls, kikiam, hot dogs. Yan, lumpia, bibingka, turon, banana Q. So, lahat dyan. Hindi mo mamimiss ang pagkain sa Pinas. Kasi marami ring pagkain dito na Pinas style, Filipino food. Ito rin yung mga kanilang isda. Ibang klase, mahal. Pwede ka magpaluto doon, prito mo, iprito nila. Bibili ka tapos iprito nila doon.
He lost his leg. He doesn't even have a leg.
So, kinumpara ko ang presyohan dito sa Amerika kumpara sa Vancouver, Canada ay
Yeah.
talagang medyo mahal ang bilihin pala dito sa Amerika. Nakakagulat yung mga presyo nila. Mahal. Kahit na mahal ang sweldo pala nila, mahal din pala ang kanilang bilihin. So, yan, kinumpara ko yung mga presyohan talagang malaking diferensya. Kaya nung buko, hindi ko na videohan, pero yung presyo ng buko dito sa Canada ay apat for $10. Pero doon sa Canada ay sa USA ay $5, more than $5 ang isang buko. So, dito, apat, $10.
I can convince him to buy one.
Yeah.
That's crazy. $34. American dollars. That's 17.
See, Castellin yung awit tayo.
Like this is the amount of crabs we would make in a month. If you went every weekend, this is how much we would make.
Very expensive, guys. So it's good that we are catching crab in Vancouver. It's free.
And these are already cooked.
So, maswerte pa rin kayo dyan sa Pilipinas dahil mura ang bilihin dyan. Salamat ulit sa inyong panonood. Like, subscribe, comment below, and God bless to all.